So welcome to the wonderful Midwest. Snow, it's 15 degrees, not very good. Anyways, 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. My wife was complaining the driver's side vent only blew out cold air while all the rest of them were blowing out warm. First thought was going to be vent flow actuator. So I asked her if she had heard clicking or anything like that, and she said no. So I got in here and I googled it and found out where the actuator is located. It's up in there. I'm not going to show you because we aren't going to need to find it for this video. You can access it. It can come out. It's going to be a pain, but you can get it. But since there was no clicking, I thought, you know, I'm going to Google the problem without clicking. Cold air only blows out driver's side, no clicking. Well, this is a dual temperature climate control deal here. So I came across a couple guys saying all you got to do is take this one and turn them at the same time, back and forth, while the car's running and the air's on, or heat, whatever. Do it a bunch of times, and sure enough, I heard it open up and warm air started blowing out. So my wife's happy, I'm happy. I didn't have to bang up my already tattered hands trying to get to that actuator piece. So thanks, Dodge. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Like and subscribe.